One day, a young monk approached a Zen master and asked, "Master, what is the greatest value in my life?" The Zen master smiled and replied, "Go to the back garden, pick up a large stone, and take it to the market to sell. If someone asks for the price, don't speak. Just show 2 fingers. If they bargain with you, don't sell it. Bring it back, and I will tell you the greatest value in your life." The next morning, the young monk took the stone to the market. A housewife came by and asked, "How much is the stone?" The monk silently showed 2 fingers. The housewife said, $2. The monk shook his head. The housewife continued, $20. "All right, I'll use it to press pickled vegetables." The young monk thought to himself, "Someone is willing to pay $20 for this worthless stone. There are so many stones on our mountain." He didn't sell the stone and happily returned to the Zen master. "Master, a housewife was willing to pay $20 for my stone. Can you tell me the greatest value in my life now?" The Zen master chuckled and said, "Take the stone to the museum tomorrow. If someone asks for the price, show 2 fingers again. If they bargain, don't sell it. Bring it back, and we'll talk." The next morning, the young monk took the stone to the museum. A crowd gathered, curious about its value. One person offered, $2,000. I will use it to carve a statue." The young monk was astonished but remembered the master's instructions. He brought the stone back. "Master, someone offered $2,000 for the stone today. Can you tell me the greatest value in my life now?" The Zen master laughed and said, "Take the stone to an antique shop tomorrow. If someone bargains, bring it back, and I'll tell you your life's greatest value." The next day at the antique shop, people were intrigued by the stone. One person exclaimed, "I'll pay $20,000 for this stone." Another person raised the bid to $200,000. The young monk, overwhelmed, returned to the master. "Master, today someone offered $200,000 for our stone. Can you tell me the greatest value in my life now?" The Zen master lovingly said, "My child, your life's value is like this stone. If you place yourself in a vegetable market, you're worth $20. If you place yourself in a museum, you're worth $2,000. If you place yourself in an antique shop, you're worth $200,000. Different platforms and positions bring different values to your life." He continued, "Life is full of possibilities. Like the young monk and his stone, our worth is not set in stone but changes depending on where we stand and the choices we make. Sometimes we get stuck in places that don't truly value our potential. It's important to step back and ask ourselves, are we in the right place? Are we surrounded by the right people? Are we allowing ourselves to shine, or are we hidden in the shadows of self-doubt and fear? We each hold a unique gift, a talent, or a passion that deserves to be nurtured and shared with the world. But to truly find our worth, we must first believe in ourselves. We cannot expect others to see our value if we don't recognize it in our own hearts. Take a moment to reflect on your life. Where are you now, and where do you want to be? Are you taking steps toward your dreams, or are you holding back out of fear or uncertainty? Remember, it's never too late to make a change and pursue your true calling. When you believe in your worth and follow your heart, the world becomes a canvas for your dreams. Your life is a precious gift, and your worth is not determined by others, but by your actions and choices. Choose wisely, believe in yourself, and your life will become a beautiful masterpiece. Message from us. Take the leap and let this story motivate you to discover your worth. If you enjoyed this video, don't Don't forget to like and subscribe for more inspiring content. Double asterisk.